Welcome to our G'elore Gel Polish tutorial. Here I'm creating my take on a tortoiseshell design. This was requested by one of our lovely followers on our Nail Gaga Extra page on Facebook. So here I've used saffron, Malibu and orange. You can use either espresso martini or espresso and little black dress. I've applied 2 coats of saffron to a tip and popped it in the lamp for 30 seconds. I've then decanted Malibu and orange, little black dress and espresso to make it easier for me to apply. Using my detailing brush, I've mapped out my design into the tacky layer of the gel polish. Once complete, this will be set again for 30 seconds. This design is about layering rather than marbling, so setting the orange first before I continue with the next colour will stop the colours from running into one another. The next step is to apply espresso into uncured top to bottom. Although this is essentially a technique used for marbling, I'm using the top coat to help the dispersion of the espresso to create light and dark areas without merging colours together. As you can see, I'm overlapping the espresso rather than going directly over the orange. This is so that the orange shines through. I continue to build up with the espresso, slightly overlapping into the yellow, adding a little bit at a time where I want there to be darker areas. Before this is cured, I've gone in with tiny amounts of black to the darker areas to add more depth, and then once I'm happy, I've cured this for 30 seconds. For the finishing touches to this design, I've applied a layer of top to bottom, but before I've cured it, I've dabbed in some tiny dots of little black dress. Let the dots disperse rather than pushing them around the design as they'll settle into place. One thing to point out when doing this is you may create some air bubbles, so make sure you pop these before setting it in the lamp. Once I'm happy with my design, I've cured for 30 seconds, and then using cleanser I've removed the tacky layer. Layering can give an uneven surface, so using a buffer will help smooth out the surface before going in with our last layer of top coat. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please pop over to our Nail Gaga Extra page on Facebook, where we're happy for you to request any designs you'd like to see. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you for watching.